Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your portfolio with Ally Invest step by step clearly.
Log in to your Ally Invest account. Navigate to the main dashboard. Review your account summary for an overview of your portfolio. Click on the Portfolio tab to access detailed information.
Analyze the performance of your investments displayed on the screen.
Identify which assets are performing well and which are underperforming. Use the filtering options to sort your investments by various criteria. Consider market trends that may affect your portfolio. Research any assets that are underperforming to understand the reasons.
Decide if you want to sell, hold, or buy more of your investments. To buy or sell an asset, click on the respective option.
Enter the number of shares or the amount you wish to trade. Review the trade details carefully before confirming the transaction. Set up alerts for price changes on specific assets if desired.
Regularly review market news and updates through the Ally Invest platform.
Adjust your investment strategy based on the information gathered. Reassess your overall allocation to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Utilize Ally Invest's educational resources for ongoing learning. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Track your portfolio performance periodically to stay informed.
Maintain a disciplined approach to managing your investments over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.